Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Today we are going to do the quiz in science.
السلام عليكم أستاذ الفلسفة الذهبي.
Walaikum salam, Faisal. Hello, Faisal. Abdullah, Khalf, Khalid.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Good.
Okay, good. Okay. Open your books, page 76. It will help you today. Page 76 and 77, it will help you. Okay?
Okay.
In this
Thanks, Mister, for this news.
this
Mr.
game or competition or quiz, whatever you say. Yeah, sorry, again.
السلام عليكم مستر ينفع حامد.
Hello. I can't hear you, Faisal. Your net is very
Page what?
poor.
Mister, what is that?
76, 77.
76.
76, 77 or 75 also. 75, 76, 77. These are helpful for you.
76 and 77.
75, 76, 77, any page. You see the question and then you can answer, okay? It will help you.
Okay.
Okay, so with me, Muhammad Al-Hadi, then Faisal, then Faisal Fahad, okay, Fahad Hamid, Malik, Mustafa, then
where's
yes.
the code?
No, I will explain first and then I will send the code, okay? First you will attempt with me and then you will do by yourself, okay?
Okay.
Vishal is there. Okay. So there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Abdullah Ali Al Qadri is there. Abdullah Ali Qadri.
Yes. Mister, what
Guys,
is
wait,
أستاذ أنا
wait.
عبد الله
We
علي
will not.
دخلت.
Okay, Abdullah Ali. Welcome to you. Only 2 to 3 minutes. Let them come and then we will start. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay.
Where are the others today? Very late.
Yes, sir. They are late.
Yes, I am waiting for them. I don't know why they are not coming.
Yeah.
If they come quickly, we will start quickly. Faisal, you are in class, Faisal. Faisal, don't open your mic.
Okay.
Thank you. Why they are not coming today? I don't know.
Mr. Page 75, 76, 77, and also 82 and 83, or what?
No, only page 25. We are going to talk about flowering, the parts of a flower, okay? So you will get help from 75, 76, 77.
Thank you.
With the knife, okay. Okay, we'll start. When they will come, they can join. Okay, so you have question number 1. What is number 6 pointing to? This is number 6. What is this part called? Yes, who will give me the answer?
Ovary. Ovary.
Ovary. Mr. Ovary.
Okay,
Ovary.
Ovary.
باللعبة أقدر ألعب؟
so you should
Eh.
give me the right answer. You will give me which answer will come from majority, we will do it. Where is pollen made? Where is pollen made? Yes, this is difficult.
In the pistol.
Pistol. Pistol. Number 3.
Pistol.
That's wrong. Not in pistol.
Answer. Another.
Sorry?
Beetle.
2.
No.
On the pedal.
Yes, I got the answer now. Panther is the right answer. Anther.
السلام عليكم مستر أنا باتصال دخلت.
Salam Battal. The male part of the flower.
Stamen.
Huh?
Stamen.
Male part.
Stamen.
Statement.
Okay. Stem. It's easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, next. In what
Very.
part the flower does fertilization take place? Fertilization.
Filament.
Illuminate.
No.
Filament.
It's filament, not filaminate. Who is giving?
Number 3 said.
Who said ovary? Ismesh.
Me.
Ya salam, Faisal. Excellent, ya Faisal. Ovary. Fertilization takes place in ovary. Excellent, ya Faisal Fahd Zoevi.
Wow.
Okay, next. Number 5.
Me, Mr.
Number 5, this part.
Mr.
Still.
Still.
It's the style.
Style, yes.
Number 2. Number 2.
Number 2, style, yes. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is here, this part, this.
Part number 2.
Yeah.
It's the ovary.
Filament. Filament.
Number 4.
Stigma. Filament.
Why you are
Lemon,
giving
say
this
number
answer
3.
wrong? Why you are giving this answer wrong?
Stigma. Sir, number 3.
Another, Mr. Another.
What?
Stigma.
This one.
And the stem element.
Number 2 is filament. Yeah. This one, you didn't see the picture.
قلت لك.
Okay, number 7. This part. Here. These
Mr.
two.
Can I ovary?
Yes, you give the answer, no problem.
Mr. It's the
Ovary.
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 This part.
Ovary number 2.
This is ovule, not ovary.
Ovary.
Ovule, yes, okay, ovule, that is right answer.
We said the view.
Okay, number 3. Number 3 is this part, the head of this yellow part.
Number
The
1.
head. Number 3.
Stamen.
This is stamen.
Pollen. Stigma.
Everybody is giving different answer.
Stigma. Stamen. Sir, stigma.
Number 3 I said, that is,
Another.
I told you book page number 75, 76, 77. These were
You said.
these were your pages.
Hi, sir.
What is number 8? Hello. Number 8, this part. These are parts. Number 8. All of these are called what? This is
Sir, I
female.
forgot to open the quiz. The petal.
You got the other answer, which is female. Sorry? Carpel. Also, yes, carpel is right. Okay, but this is called pistil. A new word for you. Okay, pistil. Got it? What is number 1? This part. This is very easy.
Flower.
Yeah, flower of the part of flower. What is this called?
Under, Mr. Under.
No,
Petal.
man. Petal. Who said petal?
Battle.
Me, Mr.
Who said petal? Your name. Who said petal? Excellent. Okay, number 4. This is number 4. Head of the flower. This head part of the flower.
Sigma.
Yes. Yes. Stigma. Very good. Very good, Mustafa. Thank you. Who said stigma? That's very good. The female part of the flower is known as. Now I told you.
Or pistil.
Yes. Now I told you. Very good. Who said pistil?
Me, Mr.
Yes. Carpet. Pistil, that's good. Okay. 13th question. What part of the flower will turn into fruit? Turn into.
The ovary.
Who will give me the answer? Stamen, ovule.
Ovial.
Petal. Number 3.
Number 3. Ovary. Number 3, ovary. Excellent. Okay, the last question, second last question. 14th. What part of the flower turn into seed? Ovule is the right answer. Abdul Ali, very good. Ovule is the right answer. Thank you. Last one. Which sticky part of the flower that catches pollen? Yani हुआ imsic pollen. Catches pollen. That is stigma. Okay, all done. Now I will send you the link and you will do by yourself. Okay. Okay. Just 1 second. I will send you
Okay.
in your group.
الشاشة بيضاء.
I know that. دقيقة أقول لك دقيقة يا حبيبي. أنا أرسلك افتح لينك وبعدين لازم انتظار. أوكي ما في يخرج. أوكي. Just wait. Open your WhatsApp. I send it. Open your WhatsApp. I sent it.
I
sent it. You opened it. I sent it.
Now.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Mister, I open it.
Okay, I can see.
Me too.
Oh, open it and write your name and put on start or whatever you can see. Mustafa is there, number 1. Okay, I can see name.
Sir, I am in.
Yeah.
My name is Ahmed Yaqub.
Okay, Ahmed Yaqub,
My name
Naif,
is Ahmed
Mishal,
Yaqub.
Muhammad Al Hadi, Malik, Abdul Aziz, Fahad Hamid, and Mustafa. Then now Faisal.
I can change my name.
No, you can't change. Don't change your name and don't.
Because I
It's fine, man. No problem.
wrote my name Ahmed Yaqub.
No problem. Okay, it's fine. If you go out, you will not come in again. So it's difficult for you. Abdullah Fahad is there, Batal Saleh, Faisal Fahad. Okay. Come on quickly. Ya Jassar, ya. Where is Batal Badr? I can't see him. Now he came in the class. Batal Badr. Basil Mazin is not there.
Mr. Ayman.
Ahmed Midhat is not there today. I don't know why.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
Alaikum salam.
Mr. I am there.
بطال بدر دخل في الجروب. من هنا؟
Okay, Mr.
الصاف انت موجود؟ بطال بدر دخل في الكويز يا حبيبي سرعة. Abdullah Ali is there. Very good. Jassar is there. Wattal Badr. Okay. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Wattal Badr. Who else is not there? Let's check. Muhammad Al Hadi. Yalla ya Habibi. فينك? سلطان دخل يا حبيبي. رياض. مشل.
يا محمد الهادي
نايف.
موجود في الاختبار.
I am there.
ايوه نايف is there. Okay. Naif is there. When I will start, they will come. Oh, I didn't enter. I am late. Wait for the others. Okay. Don't exit. Naif is there again. Okay, now don't open your mics and start playing.
ابوي خرب كل شيء الحين كيف ضيعت السؤال.
Ahmad Yaqub number 1, Faisal Fahad number 2. Battal Saleh number 3. I don't know what is the name who wrote this. What's number 1.2?
استاذ كيف خشوا؟ استاذ كيف انا do with us.
What you want,
Say,
Faisal? I send the link. Enter in the link. Write your name and enter.
where?
I send in your
Where,
WhatsApp
Steve,
group. In WhatsApp group, ya Habibi. Everybody is there. Who is this? I don't know what is the name.
Yes, no.
Yeah, it's easy.
Faisal Abdullah.
Yeah, okay. Enter.
Yes,
And play.
sir, it's come to me.
Okay, play it quickly.
Okay,
Close your mic.
right.
Mute your mic.
Okay. بسم الله.
Okay, now who is नाइफ सुराया हबीबी नाइफ भी गलत मर्रा ज्यादा माशाल्लाह यानी अना अल्लिम अव्वल बादेन खता I told you everything and now you are making wrong mistakes. That's Fahad Hamid. Okay, Badr Batal Badr مرة زيادة غلط. नाइफ مرة غلط. Batal Badr في غلط. Okay, Mustafa Ahmed Yaqub number 1. Mustafa number 2. Mustafa, you have many mistakes. Abdullah Fahad number 3. He is playing. Ahmed Yaqub is playing.
عليكم
Faisal
أستاذ.
Fahad is playing. Muhammad Al Hadi is playing. Okay. Do it quickly. Ahmed, open your WhatsApp. I sent a link.
السلام عليكم أستاذ. معك فاضي أحمد وهذا مسافر ناصر العتيبي.
Abshir ya Habibi. Quickly, boys. Okay. Quickly, boys. You have 5 minutes to finish. Five minutes.
يا مستر I am finished. Four.
Okay, Faisal, I can see you are on number 4 till now. ممكن في تاني هو आती जवाबात ज़्यादा صح هو يجي فوق.
طيب نصر عليه.
معلقة.
Come on, Mustafa has done, I think. Abdullah
Sir, I
finished. Okay, Abdul Aziz is doing. So there are a lot of mistakes.
I'm done,
I
Mister.
told you everything. I gave you the hints and I gave you the answers, and you are doing a lot of mistakes. Ahmed Yaqub, I think you have only one mistake. I mean, Faris, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so Faris is the best one till now. Abdulaziz has a lot of mistakes.
Sir. أمس.
وافي ليش
أستاذ يا
افتح
أخو.
مايك يا حبيبي؟
Mister, how many mistake am I?
Abdullah Fahad, yes, you. Abdullah Fahad is number 2 now. You are on number 2 position. Number 3, number 4, all of you have same mistakes. 2, 3, and 4. Any same mistakes. Look, you can see the screen. Also number 5, Malik. Same mistakes. Abdullah Ali Al-Qadri is doing mistakes. Faisal Abdullah, quickly, ya habibi.
Sir, what mean a gold and what mean green?
These are your streak numbers, like what you did in the row, correct in the row. You did 3 correct in a row. 5 by Mustafa and 3 by Faisal. Any correct in a row. Ahmed Midhat is now there, number 8. He is doing good. 5 in a row, correct. Faisal Abdullah is doing good. He is now number 5 now.
And Ahmed number 7.
Yeah, Ahmed is improving because his questions are left. Ahmed, do it quickly and knife. Soraya Habib. Look now, Faisal is improving. Ahmed is improving. Look, he is on number 3 now. Look, he has done 7 consecutive right, yani true. He gave 7 answers consecutively. Naif, mashallah, is 0. Now this is end. So time up. Who won?
Let's see.
Take screenshot, okay? Anybody take screenshot and send me. Take this screenshot also and send me. Ahmed is number 2. Ahmed Yaqub.
I'm number
Farid
one.
is number
Sir,
1.
I'm number one. Number one.
Okay.
How's the floor?
You took screenshot, send it to me, okay?
Okay. Sir, it's come back again.
No, it is next one. You can cross it. Okay, boys, thank you. Next time, inshallah, you will do better. Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.